Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today we're in Rising Sun, Maryland, and we found the coolest thing. Behind me was an oak tree that stood for over 500 years called Richard's Oak. This saw the founding of a nation, it saw the Civil War, it saw everything up until one rainy morning in October of 1983 when it fell in a rainstorm. But lucky for us, this spreading oak left its namesake to this little cafe behind us. I bet they have great food out here in Amish country. Let's go try them out. It's definitely not out of the can. It is macaroni noodles. This may be the first time I've ever had chicken noodle soup with macaroni noodles in it. Good idea. Right here. Right here. Okay, these are obviously homemade. Let me get one more. And they're nice and potatoey, but they're still crisp. Those are really good. I'm eating this stuff. Now, right here, that stuff right there is the source of argument and many different opinions of whether that's stuffing or whether that's dressing. What I've always heard is that if it was actually cooked in and with the turkey, then it's stuffing. If it's cooked without the turkey, then it's dressing. Now, what do you think? Tell us in the comments below. You know, we are pretty close to the original 13 colonies. I think they may have actually got this recipe passed down from the original Pilgrims, right straight to here. See, I didn't like my dinner at all. I've only got one problem, is that I'm out of food. I'm considering ordering another one, but I probably shouldn't do that, not today.